Hi my friends, so this is Dark and Beautiful Nika, and today I want to make a video, a quick video, this is not going to be a long one, on how I clean my bathroom sink. So I pretty much just, put Ajax all over and turn on the water a little bit. I don't like to waste water, so I don't let it run. And then I'm gonna scrub like that. Anyway, I'm gonna get all the corners. Oh, that needs to be fixed. So scrub like this pretty well, and then I'm gonna run the hot water. Turn on all of the cold water because I don't want to get burnt because water gets really hot. All right, so with the other side of the sponge, I'm just going to wipe it down like so. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, this stain for some reason, I cannot get that out. So I have to figure out a way or something that works on getting that out, but I have been trying to get that out for the longest. And I have not been successful on that. This is the result after cleaning with Ajax. That's the final look, the final result of the sink. And let me turn this off. I'm not trying to waste water. If you have come this far, well, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.